Okay, did you film that?
I filmed all the way up till the guy started chewing.
Well, now the right leathers is full of oil instead of the left side. So it broke something, felt like a rod. It came on hard in top of low gear, started running out real good and tight, and all of a sudden it just shaking real bad. Something broke, big time. So the push rod oiler is out. So my guess is the cylinder is broken. Yep, cylinder broke. Right there.
Yeah.
Something broke. See, the only thing holding it is the motor mount. It can't come up. This motor mount will not let it come up. But the piston is now, there's probably a mismatch where the piston comes down and just eats the shit out of that piston. It chunks it out big time with that. So anyway, it's got, it has an oil leak. So I'm not sure why the oil line got hit. The cylinder's broken all the way around the whole thing. It's been shaking more and more every pass. It was probably broken before that last run. It was cracked. Well, it was no oil leak though. It would have been oil leak because it actually. It might have been cracked slightly, but it wasn't broken. But it broke on that run. It broke big time. So that's what nitro does. It breaks shit. It breaks hard. Nitro burns shit up. Yeah, look how bad it's shaking. Fucking all this shit broke free. It broke the coil mounts off. The frame was shaking so hard. See this, Fred? Yeah. It broke the coil off. It broke the fairing on the first one. Warming it up, it broke the fairing. But, yeah. I told you it was going to either break or go. It broke. Yeah. This side's dry. That ring modification worked. It's running strong. It's not blowing by oil. That's 2 full runs on that piston without a problem. But the cylinder didn't take it. Too much. Yeah, that was that. I've been using that cylinder for years. Yeah. Well, now I got equally oil. Yeah, my boot got oil too. Yeah, this one's like that last month, so that matches. Carbonite makes great leather conditioner. All right, well, looks like I'm gonna have a little work to do at home. Where's my air cleaner?
I'll call you back later, okay? I'll call you back in.
Are you on the phone? I need my air cleaner. You talking to Yo-Yo over in Vegas again?
No.
Tell him it's his fault.
That's my daughter.
Oh, okay. Should I clean the oil up or just let it get nice and nasty on the way home?
I think you need to clean the oil up.
I'm thinking just let it get nice and nasty because it's going to get dirty no matter what. We didn't forget to put the air filter in. You know, that's probably what happened. You got dirt in there because you left the air filter out on it.
It's all my fault.
Yeah, I think that's what did it.
A couple of specks of dirt.
All right, we're going to get off the track here and head on home.